Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy and welcome to this video. Welcome to my channel as well. So today what we're gonna do, maybe you're a medic student, maybe you're a doctor, or maybe you are just interested in human anatomy, human body, organs. You want to know more and more. So today that's what we're gonna do with this amazing app, Organs 3D Anatomy. We're gonna see what we have inside of us. So I think we can get started. So as you can see, we can also read what is an organ, how is the structure, the organ systems from here. And I think, as you can see, let's go to digest. Like, we also have this. We have full body that we can learn from. We have the digestive system that we can learn from. We have the respiratory system. We have the brain, reproductive and urinary, and all of these things are in 3D, or the heart itself. So I actually would like to look from full. As you can see, when we click, I don't know why it calls in it like, sorry, I don't know why it's saying that cerebrum, but let's see what cerebrum is. I mean, this is the left side of the brain, I guess. So the cerebrum is a large part of the brain containing the cerebellar cortex of the two cerebral hemispheres, as well as several subcortical structures, including the hippocampus, basal ganglia. You know, we have a lot. And then they're talking about the structure. So we have cerebellum, little brain. It's a major feature that of the hindbrain of all vertebrates. Although usually smaller than the cerebrum, in some animals such as mermaid fishes, it may be as large as or even larger. But in humans, the cerebellum plays an important role in motor control. I know these ones because I loved biology. So we also have this thing, brainstem. But it looks like there's also something here. No, I guess. What is this? Oh, yes. Pituitary gland. We have this, our nose. Mouth and nose. We have troids. I know them. We have epiglottis. It's inside of that. Thyroid cartilage. Bronchus. Like, I'm trying to click here, but I guess it's lungs. So that's amazing. I like that. We have heart. What else we do have that we can touch here? Okay, we have diaphragm. This is our liver. This is our stomach. This is our biliary tract. This is the large intestine. And this is the small one. And this is our urinary bladder. These are the veins for that. This is the penis that to take it out. Corpus cavernosum penis. This one is the corpus spongiosum penis. Testicles. But it's like male body. And we have our kidneys. That's amazing. So now, since I kind of know about the whole thing, I'd like to go to digestive. So I'm going to see how it looks, from this side. What's this? Esophagus. Esophagus. So commonly known as the food pipe. And we have this part. It's fun. It looks real, that's why. We have stomach, we have that biliary tract, large and small appendix. But appendix is this little thing here, I think. Yes, because I'm trying to. Yeah, that was appendix. This, you see this pink thing? It is what it is. We have respiratory system. You see, everything is showing. We also have an animation. We have brain. We have reproductive. We also have woman. I liked it. I'm not sexist. We have this. We have this. Ureter. We have uterus. Here, this is the ovaries, fallopian tubes. This is the bladder, and this is the vagina that is coming. It's actually not coming out of the vagina, but let's see the animation. Like, I don't know why, but these kind of things are kind of making me feel some type of way. I don't know why. So let's go to this hamburger menu. So this circular system 3D has more applications, and I'm actually gonna show you guys one more, so you should stuck with me. You can share this on your Facebook, your WhatsApp, MSN. You can rate this application, but who is still using MSN? You can ask for help. You can remove advertising, which is free. You don't pay. It's amazing. And we also have configuration. Here you can change the language. Let's see which languages we have. German, Portuguese, Russian, Spanish, French, Italian, Japanese. Not much of a, look at this heart. It looks different. We have the background color. We have, let's make it high. Let's go and try it. Yeah, it looks better now, isn't it, guys? You see? Even when you look at like this, it looks better. Brain. What is this? I'm wondering. In word trip, the only thing, like, interface could be better, to be honest. But if your thing is you just want to learn, I think this can be downloaded and used at the same time. So just for fun, maybe you want to learn, teach it to your kids, you can use this app. So guys, don't forget to like this video. Do not forget to leave comments under this video saying that, Daria, we want this kind of an app. We want that kind of app that you introduced to us. We need that. Let me know. So don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm saying this every time is because, guys, you'll be watching my videos but not subscribing. Why not? Like, if you don't like it, at least let me know that this part you should have done better. See you guys in my next video.